Welcome to another video with teacher Satya, guys. Now in this video you guys will be learning on how to find the missing angle of these two questions using the cosine property. All right, now let's get to it. Alright guys, so first of all we are going to start off by writing the formula of cosine theta. So we know that cosine of theta is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, right? Adjacent over the hypotenuse. Now let's write down what we know. So we have cosine of x is equal to the adjacent side, guys, is equal to 5.3 over the hypotenuse is equal to 12. All right guys, now we are finding for x, so we got to get rid of this cosine, right? So when we transpose the cosine from the left hand side to the right hand side, it would change to the inverse of cosine, right guys? So x, guys, will be 5.3 over 12 multiplied with the inverse of cosine. All right, now let's use the help of the calculator to write down what is the value when we have 5.3 divided by 12. So 5.3 over 12 will give us 0.44 approximately, right? So x is equal to the inverse of cosine of 0.44. In other words, 0.44 multiplied with the inverse of cosine, right? So let's find it using the help of a calculator again. So 0.44 and inverse of cosine will give us approximately 63.89. all right guys, so the value of x here is approximately 63.89, or if you want to round it up you can also write it as 63.9 degrees. All right guys, pretty easy and simple, isn't it? If you're enjoying the video till now, I will highly appreciate it if you can hit on that like button there and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. All right, now let's get to the second question. So again guys, we are going to start off by writing the formula down. So we have cosine theta is equal to adjacent side over the hypotenuse, right? Now what do we have here? So cosine of a is equal to the adjacent side, guys, is 8.1 over the hypotenuse is 52.3. Now similarly to the previous question, we are going to move the cos to the other side. So we have 8.1 over 52.3, and what do we have, guys? We have the inverse of cosine, right? So multiply with the inverse of cosine. So first of all, let's find the value of 8.1 divided by 52.3. so we have approximately 0.15, right? So a, guys, is equal to approximately 0.15 multiplied with the inverse of cosine. Now let's use the help of the calculator. So 0.15, let's find the inverse of cosine right there, which is 81.37, right? So we have a is approximately 81.37 degrees, or if you want to round it up you can also write it as 81.4 degrees. All right guys, now I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, guys, do not forget to hit on that like button and comment below, guys, if you have any question or if you want me to do videos on any specific topic. All right guys, now until next time, have a nice day.